Good morning. Welcome to Smiles Flight. May I have your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. What is your destination today?
I'm going to New York today.
Perfect. Do you have a seat preference, aisle, or window?
Window, please?
Great. Window seat confirmed. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale. You can keep your backpack with you.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is 12.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Good morning, boarding pass and passport, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please continue to the security check.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Yes, I have a small bottle.
Remember, the maximum is 100 milliliters. Anything bigger must be left here.
Oh, okay, this one is small.
Perfect. Please put all liquids and your laptop in the tray.
Do I need to take my tablet out too?
No, only the laptop. And please remove your shoes and belt.
Okay. Where should I put them?
In the tray, please. Now walk through the scanner. Do you have any metal objects? Keys? Coins? Please put them in the tray and walk through it. Perfect. All good now. Everything is ready. Have a safe flight.
Thank you very much.